Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is the physical properties of carboxylic acid. Yesterday we take the question what is the physical properties of aldehyde and ketone. We finished here, but today we started here the physical properties of carboxylic acid. You know what is our physical properties? Those properties which our series called as a physical properties. So in the physical property of carboxylic acid, we take some point first, physical state. It means what is a physical state of a carboxylic acid. First of all, you know that the carboxylic acid is also the the carbonyl compound, because in a functional group of carboxylic acid there is a CO group is present. The CO is called as what here? Carbonyl carbon, or any compound which contain a carbonyl carbon called as the carbonyl compound. So the carboxylic acid is an example of the the carbonyl compound. So first we take the first point in the physical property of carboxylic acid. We take the first physical state. It means what is the nature of the carboxylic acid. So in the physical state we write here the some line here. So first of all we write any carboxylic acid. It means the lower member of carboxylic acid which contain 9 carbon atom up to 9. It means the carboxylic acid which contain carbon number 1 to 9 means the quantity of carbon is 9. So all these types of carboxylic acid are colorless liquid and which have the irritating odor. Clear? So the lower member of carboxylic acid, it means up to the 9 carbon atom containing compound of carboxylic acid which have the colorless liquid in nature and which have the irritating odor or smell. Now if the higher number of carbon means more than 9 member of carbon or quantity of carbon atom in the carboxylic acid which have the colorless, odorless and waxy solid in nature and which have the pleasant smell. Lower member of a carboxylic acid up to the 9 carbon atom shows the colorless liquid in nature and which smell? Irritating smell, whereas the higher number of carbon atom more than 9 carbon atom in the carboxylic acid which shows the colorless, odorless, waxy solid in nature and which have the pleasant smell. Okay? So it is a physical state of the carboxylic acid. Clear? Next here, point number second, boiling point. So you know the boiling point of any compound increases with increasing the number of carbon atom. So same here, the boiling point of carboxylic acid is more than alkane, then aldehyde, then ketone, then ether. Why the boiling point of a carboxylic acid is higher than alkane, ether, aldehyde and ketone? It is reason that the carboxylic acid contain a dimer. What is dimers? Dimer means two molecules are joined together by hydrogen bond. When two molecules of carboxylic acid are joined by or react by or joined by which bond? The hydrogen bond, it is called as a dimer. So the special character of the carboxylic acid which form the dimer. Dimer means two molecules of carboxylic acid are joined together by the hydrogen bond. Due to the dimer, the boiling point of carboxylic acid is increases, but in the aldehyde, ketone, ether and alkane, it does not form the dimer. That's why it is the boiling point of this molecule as compared to the carboxylic acid is decreases. So for example, dimer of the acetic acid we take here is a member of carboxylic acetic acid, CH3, this CH3 COOH, one molecule of acid, acetic acid. Second, CH3COO, H, it is the second molecule of which acid? The acetic acids. So two molecule of the acetic acid are joined together by hydrogen bond or held by hydrogen bond, because it is oxygen is electronegative. So H, if the H atom is attached to any electronegative atom like oxygen, nitrogen or fluorine, it form the which bond? So this form the HB. Hb called as what here beta? So Hb is called as the hydrogen bond. So the carboxylic acid form the dimer. What is the dimer? Dimer means two molecule of the carboxylic acid or here acetic acid are joined together by hydrogen bond. So it is form the dimer of acetic acid which is held by the two hydrogen what here held by the hydrogen bond. तो आपको बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा आगे. द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड आर इंक्रीजेस विथ इंक्रीजिंग द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एंड इट फॉर्म द वाट हियर डायमर. वो लिखना पड़ेगा और बाद में ये स्ट्रक्चर देना पड़ेगा डायमर को. नेक्स्ट फॉर एग्जांपल सम मेंबर ऑफ एसिड कॉल्ड एज द कार्बोक्सिलिक वी टेक हियर. फर्स्ट मेंबर फॉर्मिक एसिड. नेम फार्मूला बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. सो फर्स्ट नेम फॉर्मिक एसिड फार्मूला HCOH. It is the structure of formic acid, clear, which have the boiling point 373 Kelvin. Second example acetic acid which have the formula CH3COH, clear है. Then boiling point 391 Kelvin. Third propanoic acid formula CH3CH2COH which have the boiling point 414 Kelvin. Next butyric acid which contain what here 4 carbon called as butane come from the butyric acid which is the formula which have the boiling point 437 Kelvin. What indicate this boiling point? This boiling point indicate if the number of carbon is increases, so the boiling point also increases. राइट बेटा, यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन है बेटा? 1 कार्बन है तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 373 है. यहाँ पे कितने कार्बन है? 1 2 3 4 कार्बन है तो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कितने हैं? 437 है. इट मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इंक्रीजेस सो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट आल्सो इंक्रीजेस. एंड इफ द एनी कंपाउंड विच फॉर्म अ डायमर, सो डायमर कंपाउंड विच हैव द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हायर देन व्हाट हियर द रिमेनिंग फंक्शन ग्रुप लाइक दैट ऑफ द अल्केन, ईथर और ETC. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए देखते हैं यहाँ बेटा हम लोग. दिस chart indicate a variation of boiling point B.P boiling point with a function group. Why the carboxylic acid shows a higher boiling point as compared to the another function group like alkane, ether, aldehyde and ketone. We take this chart. Okay. So compound family what mm called as molecular mass, the B.P called as the boiling point, and this indicate what strength of intermolecular forces. Clear? Okay. So first point we take here the compound CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. How many carbon? 4 carbon. It is a member of what here? Family alkane. Because any compound which contains a single bond, it is called as alkane. Clear beta? Alkane which have the molecular mass 58. How to calculate the molecular mass? Molecular mass calculate by the how many atom and its what here atomic mass. For example, how many carbon? In this compound contain how many carbon? 4 carbon, or each carbon have the atomic mass what here 12. So 12 into what here? So 12 into 4. वो जो आंसर आएगा वो लिखना पड़ेगा. प्लस how many is 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 4 10 और रिमेनिंग जो मास है कार्बन को उनकी प्लस क्या आता है बेटा? 58 आता है. So what is the molecular mass? The molecular mass are calculated by the each atom with a mass. For example 4 carbon, ईच कार्बन है तो मास 12 सबकी प्लस करेंगे और रिमेनिंग H का जो मास है उसकी प्लस करेंगे. जो आंसर आएगा हमारा वो क्या आएगा? मॉलिकुलर मास. सो मॉलिकुलर मास आर कैलकुलेटेड बाय द व्हाट हियर द समिशन ऑफ द ऑल एटम इट्स एटॉमिक मास कॉल्ड एज अ मॉलिकुलर मास. ओके. सो अल्केन विच हैव द मॉलिकुलर मास 58 एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 273 Kelvin. नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हाट हियर CH3O CH2 CH3. It is called as the function group of ether which have the molecular mass 60, which have the boiling point 281 Kelvin. Next here aldehyde which have the molecular mass here 58, boiling point 3222 Kelvin. Next here acetone which have the what acetone or ketone which have the molecular mass 58 and boiling point 329 Kelvin. And last carboxylic acid called as acetic acid, clear, which have the molecular mass 60 and the boiling point is higher, that is called as the 391 Kelvin. It means the boiling point of the carboxylic acid in the given function group is higher as compared to the remaining the functional group. So the function it is depend upon the dimer as well as the strength of intermolecular forces. In the dimer of the carboxylic acid, it forms the hydrogen bond. That's why the strength of this intermolecular force is higher. It this column indicate increasing the strength of intermolecular forces. You know, the intermolecular force is higher, so the boiling point is also higher. So it means which is the lower intermolecular forces? Alkane, and which is the higher intermolecular forces increases? What here? Carboxylic acid. So we remember that the intermolecular forces like HB called as what here? Hydrogen bond is greater than, right beta, is greater than what here? Second bond what we take here? So hydrogen bond are greater than the intermolecular forces. Third, what here? Van der Waals forces, short form VF, Van der Waals forces. So any compound which contain hydrogen bond, so the strength of the intermolecular force is higher. So which compound is a hydrogen bond? So the carboxylic acid which have the higher intermolecular forces called the hydrogen bond. That's why the boiling point of the carboxylic acid higher than remaining functional group. Last point, third here, in the physical properties of carboxylic acid called as the what here? Solubility. So the solubility of carboxylic acid is depend upon the number of carbon atom. It means the lower member of carbon which contain a carbon quantity 1 to 9, it is a highly soluble in water molecule because it form the hydrogen bond toward the water. So the lower member of the carboxylic acid will be soluble in the water molecule because it form the hydrogen bond, but the higher member of the carboxylic acid does not are soluble in water molecule because the density of the carbon increases, so solubility is decreases. So number of carbon in the carboxylic acid are increases, so solubility of a carboxylic acid in the water is decreases. So if any compound which does not dissolve in a water, these compound are dissolved in organic solvent like benzene, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride or acetone. It is all the example of the organic solvent. So it is all about the what? Physical properties of carboxylic is point number first, physical state. What is the nature of physical state of the what here? Carboxylic acid. Second, boiling point contain a dimers. Its example, it's also the example. Next, last here, solubility depend upon the member of carbon atom. Lower member of carbon atom up to the 9 carbon, it is soluble in water, but higher member of carbon atom more than 9 carbon which is insoluble in water but are soluble in the organic solvent. Okay, so in this way finish the what here? Physical properties of carboxylic acid. Clear? Easy topic hai. Yesterday we take the point here what? The physical properties of aldehyde and ketone. Today we discuss here the physical properties of carboxylic acid. You know that the both aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid is an example of what here? The carbonyl compound which contain a carbonyl carbon. Okay, clear है? Easy topic है बेटा, आपको अच्छे से इसकी ये जो पूरे चार्ट दिए गए डायग्राम आपको निकालनी है और नोट्स प्रिपेयर करनी है. ओके, क्लियर? थैंक यू सो मच.